This 2021 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Sterling Decor interior, sleeps 5, auxiliary battery, slideout, TV antenna, air conditioning, refrigerator, LP detector, skylight, smoke detector, external shower, self-contained, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2021 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton 7.3 LV8 350 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.